Hey everybody, how's it going? I'm gonna review this battery right here. So I actually just put one of these in another light and burned it up. So now I'm gonna make a video here showing I got this light with this battery, which it came with. The voltage is different as well as the amp hour, but it was advertised as, or this new battery was advertised as brighter and better. So I want to show here that this light does work. Okay, and then hopefully I'm not about to burn up another light here, but for the sake of you guys, yep, for the sake of you guys here, we're gonna see. Oh hey, so I guess my other light was just bad. Now it doesn't really seem brighter, but it's not on fire, which is important. So okay, all right, this thing might be all right, but I will warn you that it may burn up. Oh, and before I go, I'm a veteran handyman in North Texas. Feel free to look me up at misilco.com, MISLCO.com. Thanks. Bye.